just before we start, well, you have started. Come and we have to share a microphone. How you doing, Dad?
Very well. Here we are.
Yeah.
Get cracking, do it.
Yeah.
He's done fantastic. Very proud of this boy. Very proud of him. He's done an amazing job.
High praise indeed. Mum is just down there on the scaffolding. We'll say hello to her in a minute. But yeah, so Dad is, what are you doing, Dad?
Stonemasonry.
Stonemasonry.
The first stone going in place.
There we go. Right, I will leave you lot with him. I'm going to go fit some bardage with Merlin. It might be, I don't know, like a 20 and something. Do you know what I mean? If they're little shapes. Alright, pal.
Oh, so
I brought the labourer with me.
Hello.
Alright, so it's all there. You literally just switch it on, scrape it out, you put it back, you put the hose on, and I always give it a clean around. You see the rim?
Yeah.
Just fill it up roughly to about there. Alright? Okay, alright, so I'll leave you guys to it.
Cool. All the back to that ivy then.
Okay.
For ages. There's a plank there to walk on, as you can see. And there's some bits of stone dropped down there, just thrown down there if you want.
Right, I'll go get my, I've got my clippers, snippers, whatever they're called.
Yeah, that's going to be perfect for grapes up here, isn't it? Eh?
Yeah. Over there, little seated area with a pergola someday.
Yeah.
And
Right. Whimsical, stupid project number 269, Richard. Wouldn't it be a good idea to put a window back in the wall and put a little plaque up that says "En petit vue"? En petit vue. A little view. Oh, you did another one, did you? Right. difficult, isn't it? He's got apprentices and like tax and
yeah. The mechanic for the tractor. It's like ding, jackpot.
Hi.
Yes, because this one works only with friction. Doesn't work with a counterweight. The sash window.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Right. I'm gonna have to move myself. For painting.
Yes.
That's
Upstairs?
I'll just go outside.
That's what we'll have to do. We'll have to go down and get an old saw in a minute and just. I'll try to wiggle it off, but it won't come.
Right.
transfer that across?
No, I'll just get a stone at that height at the moment. And just
Yeah.
bed them straight on.
If you want to have an early lunch or something like that, then I might be able to find a piece of stone that we can go plonk and sit it on.
Oh, I see.
Do you see what I mean? Like,
Well, I've got to back up all the inside first before you do that.
okay, all right. Well, yeah. If you want to do all that, then I'll see if I can find 2 pieces of stone. I've got the petrol cutter here. Like, see like that on there. We'll have a little look at that. So, as it is, it's 670. That's 750.
Yes, but it's not green for the market.
Oh, no, that's true.
Home time. It's Friday and I'm very, very happy with this week. Look at this. Just look at that. It's a thing of beauty. Very excited. No other words. Have a good one. See you next time. Bye bye.